What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today's race is out of Carlisle in Pennsylvania, coming east to New Jersey, and I sent 25 birds. They got released at 7 a.m. It's a 150-mile race, 165 to me, I believe. I think the wind at the time was west, southwest or something like that. 4 or 5, whatever it was. The thing is that they encountered rain on the way. Right now, it's not raining. It is cloudy. But we'll see how that rain on the path, if they encounter rain, they have to maneuver around it. So we'll see. I know the south section guys have clocked on the combine already, and some other guys around in the closer proximities. So we'll see how my birds do today. I can't complain about their weight this week. I think they felt good in the hand yesterday basketing them. And yeah, let's see how they do today. I'm actually in a social club today. It's a Portuguese club in Long Branch, New Jersey, and I'm part of the staff. So we're actually working pretty hard. It's one of the biggest parties that we do per year, and so I shouldn't even be here, but I sneaked out and trying to see if I can at least capture some footage of the first few, and we'll go from here. Stay tuned. So guys, let me tell you a story. If you remember the first race, I had 2 birds going in my loft, 2 birds from someone else, and then I released them so they could go home. And in 2022, I had 1 bird that went in late Fami's loft, God rest his soul, and he brought that bird to the club with him, so he didn't clock that race. I think it was a 100-mile race, so he went in his loft, and then he brought the bird back. I brought him home, and I sent them the following race, which I believe was either the second 100-mile or the 150. And sure enough, that one bird, the same bird that he had, gotten in his loft, was number 1 in the club the following race. So what I'm trying to say is that just because a bird gets confused and goes in someone else's loft doesn't mean that that bird is a bad bird. In fact, that bird was a very good lines, and he did very well for me. And so never discount a bird that goes in someone else's loft, because it can be a good bird. It just makes a mistake on race day. So but I bet you won't make the same mistake twice. So a little something for you guys to consider. Well guys, I should be getting birds by now. Doesn't look like they're anywhere nearby. Come on! Good job! Up on there! I didn't hear a beep. Go! Good job! Come on! Let's go! Come on! Good job! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, let's go! Good job. Come on, let's go. Come on. Good job. Good job, top 5. Not bad. I wish you got here a little bit earlier. We're not going to get the first place at the club. But let's see how the rest of you do. Eat up. Alright guys, let's take a look at the 5 birds that I've clocked so far. It is 11:13 right now. We clocked 168 at 10:57. Jason Jordan's 958 at 11:02. 163 and 162 also at 11:02. And then 145 at 11:04. So let's take a look at those bloodlines. Number 168 is off of my New England Kittle with a Hardy Kruger hen. Number 2, Jason Jordan. Number 3 is 163, Hardy Kruger Albert Derwa cock with a Ludo Clyson Albert Derwa hen. Number 4, Hardy Kruger cock with a Jason Jordan hen. And number 5, 145, is Stop Van Riet Dirk Van Dyke cock with a Ludo Clyson Albert Derwa hen. So not too bad. And guys, I gotta go back to work, and so this is gonna be it.